I was inspired by treasure books to put this quote inside the 3 journals that I created, and I figured that it would look really, really nice inside the journal. In the first journal I created, I figured that yellow food dyed paper would look incredibly beautiful, and I think they turned out really, really nice. This was also my first time I had ever tea dyed any paper in my whole entire life, so not gonna lie, it was a bit of a struggle, but I also think that they turned out really light but pretty at the same time. Here's the second journal I created. I have to say this was the easiest one that I created out of all the 3. The little triangular flap is also a tuck spot, so they can put whatever they want there. What you see here is a hidden paperclip bookmark that I created, and I figured it would look really, really pretty using some scraps. And in the second journal, I decided to do some blue food dyed paper, and I also think it turned out really pretty. I have to say it's my favorite. And right here, I kind of demonstrate a little bit of how the tuck spot is with the triangular flap, and I think it looks really, really cute. And I know graph paper isn't always the prettiest, but I think it really works wonderfully with the journals, and it's a great way to have repurposed them. So this is last but not least, and it was certainly not the easiest one to create. For some reason, I really struggled with this one. This was also my first time ever getting a chance to use a paper doily for one of the triangular tuck flaps, and I think it looks so cute, and I think all these little scraps that were leftovers look amazing here. I gotta say, this is where the love of stencils began in the next few pages, and I also, instead of, tattering the pages by ripping them, I decided to turn them into pockets. And out of all the journals, this is the only one that has pockets. That's probably why it ended up being a little more difficult. But here you see me also showing you scraps of the cover page that I used out of tissue paper. All of these little journals wouldn't have been possible had it not been for my inspiration from treasure books. I mean, she made it possible for me, gave me the creative ideas, and I'm just so very thankful that she shares all her creativity, and I couldn't thank her enough. And hopefully this doesn't sound creepy, but I secretly wish Natasha was like my best friend. She's just so talented. I love her so much.